Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain the second question in exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 polynomials from class 10. So here the question is find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So in this problem we want to find the quadratic polynomials. Here in the question the numbers given are sum and the product of its zeros. So let's solve the first one. First question is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Let us solve it. Let sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 4. They gave sum of zeros is 1 by 4 after product of zeros equals to alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus 1. If we do alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is minus 1. So we got the sum and product of its zeros. So let us find the quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, means alpha into beta. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So here x square, I am thinking this whole value equals to 0 minus what is the alpha plus beta? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta is minus 1. So equals to 0. X square minus x into 1 x by 4 plus into minus 1 equals to 0. I am thinking that there is also by 1 for x square and minus 1. So the LCM of 1 4 1 is 4. 1 in 4 times. So 4 into x square 4x square minus 4 in 4 1 time. So 1 into x 1 in 4 times. So plus into minus 4 into 1 4 is equals to 0. Here I am thinking 0 have by 1. I am doing cross multiplication. 4x, I got that 4x square minus x minus 4 equals to 0. And therefore we got an quadratic polynomial here. So I am writing that required quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. Here, this is the required quadratic polynomial. We have completed first problem. Let us go to the second one. So, here the second problem is root 2 comma 1 by 3. Here, root 2 is the sum of zeros and 1 by 3 is the product of zeros. So, let us solve it. Let sum of zeros means what na? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to square root of 2. And after product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to 1 by 3. So we got the alpha plus beta into and alpha into beta. So let us write the quadratic form. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. X square minus what is alpha plus beta? It means sum of zeros square root of 2 into x plus alpha plus alpha into beta means product of zeros is 1 by 3 equals to 0. X square minus square root of x plus 1 by 3 by equals to 0. I am thinking by 1 is there for x square and minus square root of 2x by 1. So the LCM of it was 3. 1 in 3, 3 times 3 into x square, 3x square minus here 1 in 3, 3 times. So 3 into square root of 2x, 3 into square root of 2x plus 3 in 3, 1 time. So 1 into 1, 1 is equals to 0. I am thinking by 1 is there and doing cross multiplication. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equals to 0. We got the quadratic polynomial. So therefore required quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2 into x plus 1. So we have completed second problem. Let us go to the third problem. So here third problem is 0 comma square root of 5. Let us solve it. Let sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to 0 and product of zeros equals to alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is square root of 5. So equals to square root of 5. After we got the sum and product of its zeros. Now let us write the form of quadratic equation. The quadratic equation the quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. This after x square minus what is the value of alpha plus beta? 0. 0 into x plus alpha. The product of zeros alpha into beta is square root of 5 equals to 0. So we got x square minus 0 plus 5 equals to 0. So we can write this as 0 means nothing. So x square plus square root of 5 equals to 0. Therefore the required quadratic polynomial is x square plus square root of 5. We have completed third problem. Now let us go to the fourth problem. Now here fourth problem is 1 comma 1. So let us solve it. let sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta. The value of alpha plus beta is 1 equals to 1 after product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to 1. Both the square sum of zeros and the product of zeros are equal. Now I am writing the form of quadratic equation. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta is 1. 1 into x, x. So plus alpha beta is 1 equals to 0. X square minus 1 into x, x plus 1 is equals to 0. We got the quadratic equation. So therefore the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus x plus 1 equal is the required polynomial. We have completed fourth one. Let us go to the fifth question. So here the fifth problem is minus 1 by 4 comma plus 1 by 4. So let us solve it. Let I am taking sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4 and after product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to plus 1 by 4. So we got sum of zeros and product of zeros. Let us find the quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha into beta is 1 by 4 equals to 0. X square minus into minus plus 1 into x, x by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 0. Here we think by 1 is there for x square. The LCM of 1 comma 4 comma 4 is 4. 1 in 4 4 times. So 4 into x square 4x square plus 4 in 4 1 time. So 1 into x, x plus 4 in 4 1 time. So 1 into 1 1 equals to 0. I am thinking by 1 is there for 0. Now do cross multiplication. 4x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore we got an quadratic polynomial. So required quadratic polynomial is 4x square plus x plus 1. We have completed fifth problem. Let us go to the sixth problem. Here the sixth question is 4 comma 1. Let us solve it. Let I am taking that sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to sum of zeros is 4. So alpha plus beta equals to 4. After product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to product of zeros is 1. So alpha into beta is 1. The quadratic polynomial is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta is 4. So 4 into x means 4x plus alpha I mean alpha into beta is 1. So plus 1 equals to 0. We got an quadratic polynomial. Therefore required quadratic polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Here, sorry, we can write equals to 0. So, we have completed exercise 2.2. In next video, I will explain the introduction of pair of linear equations in two variables. For more updates, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.